What if I told you that your spine, the pillar that holds your entire body upright, has been trying to heal itself every night, but you have unknowingly been stopping it? Most seniors think their back pain comes from age, or a past injury, or years of bending and lifting. While these are part of the story, they're not the full story. The truth is simple. The spine repairs itself at night, not during the day. During the day, your spine is under pressure. Gravity compresses the discs. Your posture strains the lower back. Your muscles work nonstop to keep you upright. But when you sleep, when your body finally releases tension, your spine begins the repair process. Your discs rehydrate, your nerves calm. Your muscles heal micro tears. But here's the hidden problem. After the age of 60, the body loses magnesium, the mineral responsible for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and spinal recovery. Without magnesium, your muscles remain tight. Your nerves stay irritated. Your discs don't absorb moisture. And your spine wakes up stiff, painful, and weak. That's why seniors experience lower back pain, shooting nerve pain, sciatica, morning stiffness, reduced mobility, difficulty bending. But what if I told you a 10-minute night ritual could start reversing this decline? No, it's not stretching. No, it's not exercise. No, it's not medication. It's nourishment plus relaxation plus spinal decompression. This ritual has 3 steps. Step 1, the magnesium calm drink, 2 minutes. A warm drink before bed with 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 barn 4 teaspoon magnesium glycinate powder, or a magnesium-rich alternative like banana or dates if supplement not available. This drink relaxes spinal muscles, reduces nerve irritation, calms nighttime inflammation, and signals your brain to prepare for deep sleep, the stage where spine repair happens. Step 2, the towel under knees position, 4 minutes. When lying down, place a small towel or pillow under your knees. This suddenly removes pressure from the lower back. It relaxes the spine instantly. It creates space between your discs, allowing them to rehydrate. Most seniors sleep with their spine compressed. This small adjustment changes everything. Step 3, the 3-breath spine reset, 2 minutes. Take 3 slow breaths. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's repair mode. These 3 breaths send a signal to your back muscles. Release, repair, restore, and your spine responds. Now imagine doing this every night for 14 days. Your lower back begins to loosen. Your discs absorb more hydration. Your nerves calm down. You wake up with less stiffness. You move with more ease. You're not just reducing pain. You're restoring strength. You're supporting the very structure that keeps you standing tall. And all of it, 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes before bed. No heavy exercise, no equipment, no therapy sessions. Just a simple ritual that speaks to your spine in the language it understands. If you want a stronger back, if you want to bend freely again, if you want to wake up without pain, begin tonight. Your spine has been waiting for this.